Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. Spatula was on yesterday. It is really bright, actually, today. Well, it's not, there's no sun, but it is snowy as all get out today. I'll show you guys. It's snowing. It's actually snowing right now, very lightly. Hopefully it's supposed to clear up later today. And the sun is supposedly supposed to come out today, but we will see. It looks so white. What? I know, it's snowing outside, huh? Is it snowing out there? Maybe we'll play in it later today. Yeah? Anything? Nothing? Just gonna look out the window? Look at that hair. That's a hairdo. It is freezing outside and it's supposed to get, hopefully, like lighten up for a little. And hopefully the sun comes out just so it can melt some of the ice, because there's snow and then there's like a thin layer of ice. So hopefully the sun will come out for a little, and then there's supposed to be another storm coming, and that's just supposed to be strictly snow, I'm pretty positive, so hopefully it won't be as bad as this one. This one just had like a thin layer of ice. We had a lot of sleet yesterday, freezing rain, and so we've been kind of stuck here. It's currently 14 degrees outside, so it is freaking cold, man. We're gonna go build a snowman hopefully later today, when it warms up maybe a little bit more. Yesterday, Jameson and me, we went outside and played in the freezing rain, the snow, and Jameson wanted to build a snowman, and we just couldn't because it was just, you know, wasn't working for us. Anywho, Corey went out to the grocery store, ventured out. Major anxiety for me on my end because of the ice, but hopefully he made it there. He's probably getting ready to leave soon, so hopefully he makes it back okay. We'll see. This one's been cranky for about 2 days. I feel like he's always cranky. Oh, that's all I have to say about him, is that he's always cranky. I have just been kind of hanging out and watching the kids. I need to shower so badly, but I have to wait till Corey gets home. And what else am I gonna do? Oh, I just need to clean around here today. I need to clean. I just need to clean. Like, we have a mess. Like, I need to clean the kitchen. I need to kind of organize all these cords and papers. I've been picking up the toys a lot, but I just need to organize stuff. I would like to clean out each individual bin. For some reason, they're like dirty, which I don't even know how that, like, there is full-on dirt in there. From what? I have no idea, but would like to vacuum out each of those. So doing laundry today. I'm gonna be a productive human being today despite the snow. I'm also gonna try to keep my children entertained somehow without destroying my stuff. Okay, so this is terrible lighting. We ate breakfast, obviously. I made breakfast right as Corey got home, so got a little, you know, fast-paced. I was making breakfast, and my mom called. I was making my breakfast, and then my mom FaceTimed me. So then I was doing that for a while, and then Liam took a nap, so I showered. And then me and Corey sat down for a second, and hell broke loose. Liam broke a candle and like the glass of it. And then I had to vacuum, so I just had to vacuum the whole house real quick. But they are outside now, so we're gonna go play outside. I thought I would like catch you up real quick before I just headed out there and just started showing clips of the snow, because I'm really good at that. So my OOTD is my aloe jacket, my BMF cowboy Saroni shirt, Aritzia sweatpants and Vans. And my hair is so greasy because I have no dry shampoo. And I didn't tell Corey to grab any at the store, so we're living life on the edge. But let's go play in the snow for a little. The worst angle of my entire life, but whatever. I just locked the door. You're so handsome.
Can you make a snowman?
A snowman? I think I can.
You want out, Liam? You want out? You want out?
Shovel.
You want out? Oh.
Shovel? I need a shovel too. I need a shovel too.
Unfortunately, we don't have any.
Was it so heavy?
We don't. Oh, you're making a snow angel?
Come on, Liam.
It's gonna take me 25 years.
Why don't you start it over like there, by the side?
Because I feel like it's like all the same, but.
Mama got you. Bubba, here, hurry. Bubba, go get me. Oh, it's going away. Throw it to Mama, hurry.
That was cold. Hi.
I hear it now. Make it into a ball.
Wait. Hi. Oh!
Love you, watch.
Whoa. Isn't that cold?
Let it snow.
morning, guys. It is the next day. I'm going to end the vlog here for yesterday's vlog. I don't even know if it is anything exciting. No idea what I filmed yesterday, and I looked like a hot mess all day. I finally showered and washed my hair, so we're feeling normal again. But we played in the snow, so I just kind of wanted to still post it. Didn't do anything that I said I was going to do yesterday. Oh my god, these kids are popping off, and I haven't had my coffee yet. I made it, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.